Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common technological problem that many of us may encounter, the mysterious case of ping behaving differently on Linux compared to Windows. Our protagonist faced this exact problem, where after a week of troubleshooting and experimenting with various drivers and virtualization technologies, it turned out that their device was actually functioning perfectly fine. The issue at hand was particularly related to the ping command, sending packets that were too lowered for the device to handle. Let's dig into the nitty-gritty details and unravel this ping predicament. Now, onto the solution that our hero discovered after analyzing the reply packets in Wireshark. They found that the checksum was incorrect in Linux, but fine in Windows, due to Linux sending considerably larger ping packets than Windows. After reaching out to the manufacturer, they confirmed that the device could only handle a max packet size of 50 bytes. To resolve this, our problem solver used the command ping s32192.168.2.14, forcing the ping command to send 32-byte packets instead. And just like magic, the checksum was correct, and a successful ping was reported. Sometimes it's the simple tweaks that make all the difference in the world. In summary, when troubleshooting tech issues, always remember to pay attention to the nitty-gritty details like packet sizes and checksums. A simple adjustment in the command line can sometimes be the key to solving a seemingly complex problem. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech problems you've encountered recently. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.